This platform Teespring, which is now known as Spring, is a print-on-demand platform where you can actually get a simple solution for creating and selling products that engage your fans and help you monetize your content at no cost, no hassle, and no risks. And if you don't know what printing on demand actually is, you can actually check this out right now. The print on demand business model is a business model where products such as apparels, accessories, or home decorations are produced only when an order is received. This eliminates the need for you to have an inventory management or upfront cost. And here's an overview of how the printing on demand business platform actually works. The first right now is that you just simply need to go on to creating a simple design. Now if you create a design on a product, maybe such design might be for a t-shirt, a bag, a hoodie, a mug, or any kind of design right there, and the customers actually go on to seeing that design and purchases that or places an order from your store actually is connected to the printing on demand platform. With the printing on demand platform actually helps you to bring that design to life by printing that design, packaging it, and also shipping that to your customers. And this is how the cycle actually goes. And the cool thing about this is that both you and the print on demand platform goes on to sharing the profit. So basically this is a very cool business model which you can actually do right now, because with this particular kind of model you don't need any capital to start this particular business. Now if you come onto Teespring right now, you can sign up for free and click on start creating, of which if you do that you will be brought to this page. Once you're brought to this page, you can see a lot of cool products of which you can search for right now. You can see products are categorized based on bestsellers, apparels. You can see them including men t-shirts, women t-shirts, kids and babies. You can see hats, digital products, home and decoration, accessories, collections, and a lot more cool content. Now if I scroll through guys, you can see some cool content I could easily go on to editing and create a cool version for myself and just simply sell that online. Now maybe I want to just simply focus on this hoodie. I'm going to click on this edit icon, of which if I do click on that, you can see the hoodie right now. This is how the hoodie goes on to looking like. Now once I'm on this page right here, I can go on to adding images, add text, change color, set price, and actually edit all this to my preference. You can see the profit I'm going to be making right now. So I can actually increase the price or reduce the price to actually increase or reduce my profit. So that's how cool this actually looks like. Now maybe you want to just simply put in a cool image or a cool photo right there. I'm just going to add in the black color. And if I want to add in a cool photo, I can utilize platform like this platform called the Leonardo Ai to generate image content. Now this platform right now is a platform that can help you bring your imagination to life. All you need to do is to give the AI tool a simple description of how you want the video to or how you want the image to look like, and the AI tool is going to bring that into life. You can sign up for free right now and you don't need any credit card details to sign up. Just create an account with your email address, log into the account, of which you'll be brought to a home page that looks similar to this. While on this home page guys, you can keep on scrolling through this particular home page and you'll be able to see a lot of cool content that was generated by individuals on this platform right now. All the images you're seeing right here were generated by some individuals utilizing the platform. If you do hover around the image, you can actually go on to see the text prompt that was used to generate the image. You can click on the image to see more details about the image, the text that was used to generate the image, and you can actually see the image resolution and a lot more cool stuff about the image right now. So guys, supposing you want to just simply create yours, you just need to come onto this section that says image generation. Click on that. It's going to bring you right now to this page where you can just simply paste in your text prompt you want to utilize, click on generate, and your images will be generated. You can also note that you get about 150 tokens to use each and every single day. This is the amount of token that will be used to generate this image. You can edit the number of images which you want. The higher you go up, the more coins you are actually or tokens you are actually going to use. The lower you go down, the less tokens you are going to use. And you can actually edit dimensions of the image right now. Maybe I want a big image. I could just simply select this dimension, and you can see this is a 1:1 image. I can actually just simply go on to copying this exact same prompt I used for this. Maybe I'm just going to copy the prompt right now. If I do click on this plus icon, I can see much more details about the prompt. I'm just going to select that right there, go to the top section, paste in that right there, and actually do click on enter. Now you can see that if I do click on enter, the image will actually be sent, or the particular prompt will actually be sent to generate this image. I can also go on to changing this to something like mama bear playing with her cub, and if I click on generate, the images will be generated also. As you can see, this is the first image that was generated, which I can just simply click on the download icon, and that image will be downloaded on my device. You just need to wait a little bit, and in a matter of some seconds you'll be able to see the new image that was generated for the second prompt right now. You can see this is the new image. You just need to click on download icon, download the specific image, head on to the very cool and amazing platform right now called the remove.bg. This is a platform that you can use to remove background from your images. Now I'm going to click on upload right there. So actually going to selecting images from my device. I'm going to select these two images right now for this AI tool to actually work on. You can see it's working on the first image right there, and the background will actually be removed right now. I can download the image on my device. Now you could just simply click on the plus icon, go on to selecting the second image, and just simply upload that right there. It's going to also remove the background for that image also. So once that has been downloaded, you can then head back to the platform Teespring to go on to designing your cool content. Now I'm going to click on add image, select the image right now. If I want to use this, I'm going to add that. You can see how small it actually looks like, meaning that we might actually need to go on to increasing the dimensions of that particular image from Leonardo Ai right there to actually make this quite better. So you can see how it looks like right here. Maybe I can go on to adding the second image right now to see which is actually better. But you can take note that the image quality is good. The more I increase, the more the image quality gets better or gets poor, and the higher resolution is actually required for the platform. You can see right now as it's small, I can continue and go to the next page, but if I increase this right there, it actually reduces the video resolution or the image resolution right there, and I cannot then go further. But I'm just going to show you how this actually works. Now this is how cool this actually is right now. Once you're done, you can preview the design via clicking on the preview section. You can actually then also go on to editing the back of this particular stuff, because we've been editing the front ever since. You could edit the back, and this is how cool the content is going to look like right now. So make sure you go on to utilizing another particular platform to go on to expanding that image and maintain same quality. Now once you've done that, guys, you want to just simply continue to the next phase, of which you're going to select style, launch the particular design, and once you're done, you can actually go on to creating a store. By coming onto this section, click on stores, and you're gonna see your store right now. This is my store right here, and you can actually take note that for my store, this is my actually unique affiliate link for the store. This is the name of the store, of which I can change anytime. You can see right now I can view store, update the names. I can also go on to selecting a custom domain, or I could use or purchase a domain right now. So once you set up a store, a cool thing which you could do to maximize your income is to link such store to other platforms like Etsy and Amazon right now, because on this platform you could go on to advertising your cool and amazing designs for people to go on to seeing, purchasing that, and you're going to start earning a lot of cool commissions by doing so. So this is a very simple strategy that you can just simply make sure you take out much of your time, generate cool content, and go on to making a lot of money right now. Now if you want to learn much more cool strategy to make money online, head on to the channel OJ Marketing, and you can actually see a lot of videos I do create on ways to make money online. And if you like the content, you can scroll through the channel, check out the videos right there. You would also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all, so as to always get alerted whenever I do release new videos to help you boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.